Hi everyone and welcome. This is NikkaNadia. Welcome back to the Intro to Belly Dance series. Today we are going to be learning what's known as an undulation or a camel. So let's begin by warming up our spine. Take your feet a wide hip distance apart, bend your knees, sending your weight back into your heels, your hips back, and take your hands to your knees. On your inhalation, extend your spine, opening up your chest, lifting your tailbone up, and then on your exhale, round your spine, contract, and look to your navel. Again, inhale, extend your spine, tailbone reaches up, throat opens. Exhale, strongly contract like an angry cat, look to your belly button, and tuck your pelvis under. A few more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Inhale, extend. Exhale, round. Last time. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Release your hands down to the floor. And then bend your knees and very, very slowly, one vertebra at a time, roll up the spine. All the way up to standing. Good. So let's begin. Knees are gently bent. We're going to start by taking the chest to the rib cage and lifting it up and out, similar to a chest lift. Then you take your belly and press the stomach area forward. Finally, we take the hips a little bit forward as the chest begins to shift back. Then the belly back, then the hips back. So we go chest forward, hips forward, chest back, belly back, hips back. So I always say it's like an exaggerated swallow, gulp, rolling down your spine. Except we don't move the head at all. So let's try it together. We go chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips, rolling down. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips, and chest, stomach, hips. If you're finding this very difficult, it's not happening, I recommend using a wall for some feedback. So you can come over to a wall or a door and use this to help understand your body and spine better. Begin with the knees bent, close to the wall. Press your chest to the wall, your belly to the wall, and then your hips to the wall. Naturally, the chest comes back, then the belly, then the hips. So again, we press our chest to the wall, belly to the wall, hips to the wall, and then chest away, belly away, hips away. So you're rolling down the wall. Let's continue. We have chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Rolling down, rolling down. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. My weight is in my back leg and that knee is gently bent. So even as I roll through the spine, I'm not moving up and down, okay? A few more times, breathing. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips, and chest, stomach, hips. Now let's reverse, starting with the hips tucking. Okay, so the hips press forward as we tuck. Belly presses forward and then chest comes forward. As you can see, the hips start to pull back, then the belly, then the rib cage. So hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest, as if there's a spider rolling up your spine. Okay, so we have hips, stomach, chest. Hips, stomach, chest. Forward, 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 back, back, back. Forward, 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 back, back, back. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Chest, stomach, hips. Rolling down, rolling down. Chest, stomach, hips. Making a wave with your spine, undulating. Nice. So let's try going down and back up. So the way that we do this is at the bottom, there's a pelvic release and then tuck. So as we go chest, stomach, hips, the hips release And then I re-tuck to roll back up. Hips, stomach, chest. So chest, stomach, hips, release, tuck, hips, stomach, chest. Rolling down, rolling up, rolling down, rolling up, rolling down, rolling up. We have chest, stomach, hips, hips, stomach, chest. 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 Well done. Thank you all so much for joining, and I will be back very soon with more classes, tutorials, and moves. Bye.